Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn about DML operations. So in the DML operations, we will know what is DML in effect. Then we will know about insert, update, offset, delete, and delete DML operations. Then we will know about error handling effects. Then we will understand it with the help of an example. Now let's jump to what is DML in effects. So if we talk about full form, is data manipulation language. So DML is basically used to create, modify, or remove Salesforce records. So we have two DML in Salesforce, like insert to insert the record, and update to update the record, abstract, that means to insert and update the record, and delete it to delete the record, and delete is and delete the deleted record. And these DML operations, um, these DML methods, so these are methods, okay, DML methods, insert, update, insert, delete, and delete. So these DML methods can be used for single objects as well as for list of objects. Now let's take an example of insert. So we have already taken the example to insert an account in previous session. So let me explain it again. So here we can, we can initialize account and insert, or we can initialize account in bulk and insert in bulk as well. So that way we can insert as object using DML operation. So these are DML operations. So I am not going to note this because I have already explained. But when I will execute, so this will be created. Count with this name, and no need to create again. Now let's talk about update. Update means we have a existing account in the system. Now we want to update it. So how we can do it? We will understand it. So let's say take an example of account. So first we will fetch the existing account in order to update that. Let's say take an example which account we can select this one. Extract. Here I want to change industry from IT to shipping. What I can do is select name from account where I will equal to sorry, I will equal to. So here we are querying on ID, but we can query on the name as well. So I have created a session on the SQL as well. So if you don't know about SQL, so you can look at that. Here I want to change the industry instead of saying industry. So since this is the standard field, I will not use underscore C after this element. So SQL industry and this will be shipping. And I will update it like this. So now when I click on execute, industry will be changed. Let me call it. Industry will be changed from IT to shipping. You see, I have updated using the update operation. Okay. So we have insert and update. Now let's discuss about outside. So inside I could use upside as well. Means for insert and update. For both cases I can use upside. The main difference is here. In this case, if I will use upside, my update will not work. Why? Because for updating I need ID in case of upside. Okay? Let's try to update and see what we are getting. Let's say from shipping I want to change it to IT. So it will say ID verified. Sorry guys, sorry for this, sorry for the confusion. So it will update because I think it's no, we are trying on ID, the file is not which what is ID. Let's say I want to query based on the name, a little bit more. Now I changing it back to shipping. It's getting I've seen that maybe I maybe during initialization I think to start. Okay, I forgot about this. I think during initialization. Now take an example how we can insert a record using a fetch statement. So for this we have to create new count and we can take name equal to after in this case before. So this way we can if ID is not associated here with an ID, so it will create a new. Here you will see 20 abstract information. Got it? But guys, that case that without ID for the updating, so that may not work in your first class because I have seen scenarios for this where it was not working. But maybe we will write in first class and we will see whether it's working or not. Okay. Now take another example. Upside. So upside we have this case. Now let's go delete. So using delete, we can delete any list or a simple account. Okay? So let's say we are creating an account. We have created an account. Let's say so here okay, this one. Now I am getting this before and I want to do this. So how can I do? I can simply write this instant. Okay. So this ID record this record will be related. This one. You see, the record has been deleted. But in case there is a list, you can delete that as well. Let's say, so it's HH list means it's multiple accounts. But if you don't use name and you want to delete all the accounts, I can also them. Okay? Or filtered account. So this statement will return list as well. So if you want to create a list, you have to. So we will store all the accounts inside this list and you can delete them. Now take an example of delete. So and delete is just reverse of the delete. So one more thing, deleted account can be queried. Okay. So we can query deleted account and we can delete it. Okay, so we will see how it goes. Here is deleted equal to true. The account that I have deleted, I want to and delete it. So I will simply use and delete. So what's our account I have deleted? I can see in the recycle bin as well. I will go to recycle bin to check how many records are deleted. I think only one. You see there is only one record that I have deleted. Now I will delete that record. So I will delete account here. Okay. Now I will change the recycle bin. This account. I think we need to use for your in the to fetch all deleted rows. So this will be the check whether it has been deleted. Yes, it has been deleted. Now when we will log, we will see that deleted account. Okay? You see? So we have recovered deleted account using and delete DML operation. Now we will understand error handling. Simple, very simple example. So whenever you are deleting and then you are inserting, you can use try catch so that whenever insert is failed, you can see the error information. Okay. This is the best practice to handle the error. Because let's say based on the if insertion is failed, you would like to send email. So you can send email whenever insertion is failed. Okay. So the list can be like outside of this drive. Let's say here we can and then you can put left this no font, no font, so this way we have populated account so that we can insert, and in case there is error during insertion, you can debug that and put that error. And in case you need to send email, you can do that as well. So if I click on execute, account will be created if there is no error. List name is here. Let's see. The account has been created. Okay. The account has been created successfully. And if account is failed by any reason, so we can simply put a, for example, suppose this example, I use ID from current account is now filled here. I think it has account for parent account. For parent account we have here. I think it's parent only. Parent ID. Now I'm using that invalid ID. You see the error. Yeah, it's lining up to this one. So 18 digit ID I need to insert. Let's say I insert any ID. I basically want to show you the this example acceptance. You see? In acceptance. System does DML acceptance. Insert failed on this. Okay. So in case of failure, our catch part will execute. Okay. So I will say system dot DML exception. DML error. So I will check this debug whether there was any debug. Debug. This is the debug. DML error and this was the error. Because ID was not correct account type. Because it was a simple ID. Got it? So this way we can handle error. Now let's create an example. Then I will create an example. So that's launch as an example. So this is not as well. Let me save it. Okay. So that's good. Creating public filter. DML requires a subject or well, let's understand that. So here we are inserting account. Here we are updating account list. Means it's also the list account list. And here we are updating phone number for the latest account. Means for the alpha and beta we are updating phone. Then we will initialize an account and we will upside this new account. After upsiding this and the loop. Okay. So that we will insert. So what we can do, we can create this insertion. After account. And sorry, this account as well as this is. Now using abstract. Okay. Then we can delete SCC account list, but we don't want because delete and delete I already shown you. I will just show you an example of insert an object. So now what I will do is I am using upside. So this is initialization, new initialized, not inserted before. So there is no ID, so it will be inserted. And this one basically. So here we have already inserted accounts. So these accounts will not be inserted again, okay? Because they were already inserted. We will just update them. Okay. So total 3 accounts will be created. That's all. So this and see. So 3 new accounts will be created. You see? One is let me search by the name alpha group, alpha corporation, okay, alpha beta, okay, and third one is gamma, gamma, okay. One more thing, I want for gamma, I want to update. That is for alpha. I want to update industry as I did. So I want to update the same operation here. Now let's do for the alpha. I will do I will simply query just to check the ID got from ID command industry long account where ID for alpha. Now I will update industry as ID. And I will update. So here I am not using ID. I want to see if there is any error using data. Latin because when we executed in debug that was inserted. Okay, it's working here. Thank you. So I am what I did. I said industry and update. I said this account, alpha corporation account, and this industry and I updated this one. And there is another way to update it. So let's say if I just use instead of fetching, without fetching also I can update. That's a new account. I can use ID equal to this ID and I can use that. So I am not fetching here, I just initializing with ID and then I will should update it. Actually, it has been updated as text. Yeah. Thank you guys. So for hands-on exercises, I have your examples that you can practice on your own. So this, for example, you can insert 3 accounts and then update that phone number. After updating, you can delete all the accounts. Second one is you can create a list of phone contacts. Okay. Some new and some already existing, and use that to check whether those are in fact in that account. Okay. Just to check the behavior of that. Then you need to delete set of reports, and then you need to undelete to restore, like we have practiced in example. Fourth is you have to wrap your game location in a cycle to load by restore, like we have practiced. You need to check that. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. I think it was enough for today. So let's meet in next episode. Thank you.